many young artists with amazing music waiting to be heard, and Richie Rich finds them all. This week, Swazz is the next big thing.
Alright, G.
That bad.
That bad.
Right now, they say one of the hottest artists in the dancehall right now. The man said nobody not safe. Yo,
That
Swazz,
is it,
what want no bad, bro?
Nobody not safe in anything, I pray.
Yo, for right now, I see a take on the whole game. Industry right now, what I talk about Swazz.
That is it.
Blue eye, whoop.
Blue eye boy, man, and everything go, man. One Swazz, you know.
Swazz, so talk to me on the journey. Where you start off from?
You know, we start this music from in a high school, though. You know, I say over the high school, usually a freestyle and thing until my friend them start tell me, say, yo, I need to take it serious and thing. Until I link up with a elder, Omar Harris, big man in our business to said way. And him inspire me and tell me, say, yo, go and do it, you see me? So from this on, we just take it serious and start record myself and them thing there, you see me? And you bring me here right now, you see me?
Yeah, I see you take it serious, bro. With art, you know, you have to have image though.
That is it.
I see you create that image for yourself.
I will say, man, you have to give people something for like more than just the music.
Yeah, but a lot of people
right
right now, I see a lot of people in the inbox and your comments, I check out, I say, yo, bro,
Yeah.
why is something there, bro?
Yeah.
What going with that?
Yeah, man, that's the big question that everybody asks me, man. You see me, when we give them an answer, they must say, I lie, me, I tell everybody asks if it's real. And when you tell them it's real, they must say, no, it's not real. And then them try to open my eye and you see me, I say, what I eat from, you see me, everybody want to know, you see me?
So it's the mystery that.
That is it, man. I eat,
So
man.
talk to me right now, you have a couple songs right now around the place, you have Batman Table.
Yeah,
You have one named That Bad. This man said
yeah, man.
Coffee Tappy. And what
Yeah, man.
Coffee Tappy is a song.
Bad, man, bad song, man.
It's like
you
you
see
predict what going on now, you know?
Yeah, man.
Coffee Tappy I speak about that right now, isn't it?
me? That is it for
So,
man.
speaking of Coffee Tappy, what do you think about what going on right now with the band of certain type of songs and music?
Well, I don't know, you know. A broadcasting commission that, you know, you see me, them call the shots. You can't go against that. All we have to do as an artist is just work with what them say, you see me?
So based on the trending topics right now where most people look out for, you think it's hard for you to produce more music out there?
No, it can't hard for me because I been now sing certain type of song. You see, because we try to step out of the box and I try to do what everybody do. You see, I say, I want to be the artist the way people look on different. You see, we don't want them to sing that, so me I go sing that just because we want to get break. You see, we sing we lifestyle, what we see around with and try not to fit in. You see me? Because we never like to fit in, you see me?
So what's so different about Swazz?
Well, my style, my image. So I say, me eye blue, I don't get a better than that.
That's what's tell the people where you come from now, fam.
Well, I don't know, I fall from St. Mary, you know, you see me? But we live at Portmore, you see it? Yeah, man, St. Mary, all North Coast, Ochi side, you see me?
Set speed.
That is
right
it,
now,
man.
North Coast have an industry for itself where you don't get marketed properly.
Yeah.
From my point of view, you see me?
A lot
What
of
do you think
true.
you can bring it for get North Coast back, you know, a feature in a sense?
Well, I don't know. That's why we're out here putting in the work for become the whole soul artist so people can see and say, yo, you know, it's an North Coast artist that so people can look for North Coast artists, them different, you know? Open some doors to some youth said week. I don't know anything going on. You see me, need a gatekeeper, though. That is it.
Yes, it's Swazz right now. Who is Swazz?
Swazz at the blue yard, but we're forward. If you just take my spot in a dancehall, you see me? And try to clear some boundaries we never cleared before. You see me, fam? My friend them run Spain town, lock grand spend. Oh, you know take talk, action then. Claim saying bad talk, but from when?
Yes, so talk to you right now. What have you worked with in the industry so far?
Yeah, you don't know me work with Shopland Records, Stubborn God. This is I said Tip God to said we recently record for Zoom, Galfest Records, One U, Buyer Music said we. This is I said a whole heap of them, man, you see me? So we just out here do it.
So right now, one of the pipeline for Swazz, like what people can look out for next from you now.
Right now we are pre for drop an EP soon, you see me? And we have a lot of new music in store, so yeah man, you can look out for the EP soon and very soon, you see me?
The song we're running right now.
Badman Table, you see me? And I recently released a song named Broke That for the ladies, them, you see me? It's one good so far. You see me, I say, girl, them love it, you see it?
So as an upcoming artist right now, for
Yeah.
who you don't want to work with? Like, give me two artists, one from old school, one from new school, where you don't say, yo, the man that do it, and I say, yo, you drop a song with them right now, can fit Swazz style.
And you know, every time somebody asks me that question, I'm always answer it the same way because we're willing to work with anybody where I do good music. You see me, I say, cause we're not going to try to say, oh, that the man or that the man. Anybody where I do good music and rate the thing said way. You see me, I say, once the energy connect, we're willing to work with any and everybody. You see me, dog?
So yeah, I'm not really putting a style and dancehall, just go on.
Yeah, we're not picking a side, we just do our thing. You see me, talk less, you see it?
So dancehall right now have a style where, you know, in order to come out and get the music play, you have to have a style. create a stunt or something.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's not pull a stunt?
No man, we're not creating a stunt, man. We just make the music speak for you.
Rest of the blue hair and a stunt?
No man, the stunt no night, man. After we don't ride bike. That's what I thought about, man.
I'm a fan of who never hears Swazz it. People me hear voice, God.
You don't know a thing, man. Put liquor on bad man table, the party a shot. Loud like when the... Hey, you know a thing go.
See that?
Nobody not safe. Jeez.
Swazz, so what talk to now? What makes you intense?
Just me, you know, just me being me. It's because I be myself, you know what I mean? And the energy when I bring, people always just rate it and gravitate to it, you see me? So we know we're going to do well in the dancehall side because I'm a people person differently, you see me? So that make me intense, you see me?
See that music attack, man's attack less. One Swazz.
That is it,
It's
bad, you know.